excited because I have a parcel here and I'm pretty sure it is my new hand. By the way, this is the nail that I did the other day. I like it. I think it's quite good. Should we take it off now? There we go. I think that's pretty decent, that. Anyway, let's open this parcel. It's definitely going to be a hand. Yes! Yes, yes, yes! I just hope that this is going to be decent, because obviously it's just a cheaper one from eBay. Let's have a look. See, I will do a review on this, guys. I'll have a play with it and then I'll do a review on it. Leave the link below, just for people who are wanting to sort of do the same as me and have a bash and stuff. It seems alright. I don't think the wrist is as flexible as like the proper training hand. The fingers aren't too bad. The thumb seems like it's going to be a bit difficult. Also, I do know that the main training hand, like the what's it called? It's got a name to it, and it's like the proper one. These are just like cheap versions of it, but it does have different size nails, whereas these are all the same size. If you can tell, that doesn't bother me at all though, because like it's fine. I think you just like pop the nail out. So I can do as many designs on here as I want, pop them out, keep them as well if I do some good designs. And then it's just got this clamp to clamp onto my thing. I'm probably going to be doing another nail video today. So this could end up being a nail vlog. It wasn't intended to be, it was just intended to be me just... do I look a bit freckly? What's going on? It was just intended to be me sort of just vlogging the fact that I've got a parcel. But now I think it might end up being a nail video. So guys, I've decided I'm going to give a go at doing a full hand of nails. I've given myself about an hour to do it because I've got some other things that I need to do today anyway. So I'm just going to get on with it. I've chosen the nails that I think are the right size. The thumbnail on this hand is a little bit bigger. And then the other ones are just all the same, I think. That's what I've come to the conclusion so far. I think there's just two different sizes with this hand. So I'm gonna just get started. This is a big one. They don't fit perfectly, but I'm happy enough for the sake of this hand. Obviously, it'd probably be a bit of a different story on a client, but yeah, I think we'll be alright. Let's hope this sticks on. Put your bell there. Oh, I don't think it's gonna stick. It's not sticking. It's not sticking at all. It's not sticking. It's not sticking at all. Right. I'm going to file the nail down and see if I have any luck by doing that. Let's do the little one first. Take away any surface shine off this nail. Right, see if it will stick to that. Oh my god, it's just not sticking at all. I don't understand. I think it's got something to do with the shape of the pretend natural nail. It's just like it's not touching it properly, so it's not sticking. That hopefully will be alright. They're not supposed to bend like that, so maybe I've just not got the right size. But I can't really find sizes to fit. Right, I've managed to get them all stuck on. I don't know how firmly they are on, but they're on there for now. Sorry about the dogs barking. Greg's just getting home. So yeah, I'm gonna just go in now and start applying. Wish me luck, guys. And basically, because I'm slightly concerned about it not sticking, I'm just trying to go over the part where the real nail hits the tip, just to kind of try and really cement it together. I'm just with a client, Greg.
Yeah.
Look on your client. So it's taken me like 8 minutes to do one nail. Oh dear. So I'm just gonna show me doing the thumb. I've done all the rest of them now. I feel like I'm getting a bit better. It's on 1:03 is the clock now. I'm gonna see how long it takes me to do this now. I've had a bit of a play. I'm not good for some reason at picking up big beads. Like, if you can even call them beads. They just seem to be really small, but it's a bit better. And then I've kind of figured if you get the bead right, it's just about moving it. Moving the acrylic around, get it where you want it. Which is all nice and easy said and done in theory. But you've just got to get your acrylic to the right consistency first to be able to do that. Hope I'm in shot here, guys. Be a bit rubbish if I'm not. Get you down there. The tips don't fit the nails perfectly. Obviously that wouldn't happen if it was a real client. I'd make sure that they fit, whether I had to file them down or whatever. But for the sake of this, because I'm just practicing really about how to apply acrylics, I've just kind of gone with the flow with the tips, so. The lighting's not like great over this side here. I definitely think I've got better. Do you guys think, what do you think, guys? Let me know in the comments down below if you think I'm better now. Oh, sorry about that. I'm better now doing the thumb than I was that first one that I've just done. Or if you just think it's exactly the same. Maybe you do. Maybe I'm just being deluded. I'm remembering to keep the nail pointed downwards so that I don't flood the cuticle. As Kirsty always tells me to. I think I want to just thicken this up a bit and build a little bit onto the apex, just a little bit. Oh, I hope I've been in shot, guys. I'm sorry if I'm not. Right. Just need a little bit down here. There we go. Tiny little bit on this bit here. Obviously, it doesn't quite match up with the nail, but never mind. Okay, that took me, what did I say it was on before? 3. So it took me 6 minutes to do that one. And it is a bigger one as well. And I think it took me about 8 or 9 minutes to do the first one. So, I'm just going to run that through that. Got a tiny little bit of acrylic liquid left in there. But I need to go wash my brush so it doesn't break. And then what I've been doing with them is once it just gets so it's not tacky anymore, popping the pincher on. I'm not sure if the pincher's done much because I don't know if... I think I should have pinched the this first, but because I was scared that the tips weren't sticking, I didn't, so... See, it's a little bit, like it's not really pinching because it's too... It's too late. But yeah, it's fine. Right, so that's the acrylic part of my first full hand done. So this I'm gonna call, I think, like you can see the difference if you look at that first nail that I did. And then the second one, it just seems a bit smoother. But yeah, that's part 1 of my first full hand of acrylic nails. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. How zoomed in are we? Oh, not too much. Hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Leave me some comments down below on your opinions on how bad you think I am at this. Bearing in mind, I've literally just started doing it. And join me in part 2 to see the filing part and the smoothing and the shaping part. Love you guys. See you next time. Bye.